Each thing starts with a purpose: to capture live best image, whether through photography or a CT scan. Every image requires the same level of attention. Precision is non-negotiable. I think my work and my passion demands continuous education and adaptation, as each day brings new challenges and opportunity to achieve the highest image quality. Every step matters. A lot of attention goes into very small details, but their impacts makes it all worth it. Staying updated and earning the latest certification shows my commitment to excellence. It's about mastering technological advancement and gaining the trust of those who rely on it. Because reliability isn't just a number, it's a lifeline. Remote engineers and predictive analytics help me be in the right place with the right tool, ensuring uninterrupted service and improved patient safety. Reflecting on my journey, I realized that it's small but consistent effort that leads to the greatest achievement. At the end of the day, it's the passion for what I do that keeps me going and strive for excellence. At Philips, I'm proud that my work makes a real difference. Knowing that I help loved ones get the best care they need inspires me every day.
Philips.